Look how dope that looks. Install coming at you. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. So from the intro, you see we got some truck stuff right here. Now this is really important. The reason why I ended up getting these is because I'm about to trailer my car all the way to York, Pennsylvania for a Boxer Fest. And when I went to check out the trailer, when I met with the owner, he was talking about the trailer. Now it's going to be enclosed, so I actually used the open U-Haul one before, which was not that big. So the enclosed one I'm using is about a 20-foot trailer, and he was telling me that these trailers have trailer brakes. Now when I looked at it, this thing is pretty large and it has trailer brakes. Now wouldn't you guess it, I have a 2016 Ram Sport. This damn truck comes with literally every amenity in it, has airbags, everything. The only thing this damn truck doesn't have in it is a blind spot detection light and a trailer assist. It's really weird. I'll put something up on the screen right now and show you what I mean. And it usually comes stock with a lot of trucks, and usually when you plug the 7-pin trailer hitch in here, let's see if you can see it. Yeah, when you plug that 7-pin trailer hitch, what happens is you can actually adjust from the inside how hard you want the brakes to come on when you step on the brakes on the truck. So when you step on the brakes here, it'll tell the trailer how hard to put the brakes on. So guess what? I called Ram. This truck literally, I thought it was hidden somewhere. I was checking in all the electronic features, nothing. Dope thing though. It's so cool. I even checked out other, anyway, I'll get to that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this real quick. Your boy put together a dope ass kit. I got it on Amazon. You need two things, the brake controller and a harness. Now, the one I picked is the REESE Power Toe. This is the break-even proportional brake controller. So the proportional brake controller, what they mean is, now I'm not gonna get too much into all the settings. I just wanted to show you guys a really inexpensive, quick fix if you don't have brake control on your Ram or whatever. Just remember, guys, what I did was I went on Amazon, obviously it has my year, make, and model. Then once I saw one that I liked, I went to their website, like REESE. I went to REESE's website to make sure that the part numbers match up, and also for the connecting harness as well. I'll explain what I mean. So this is a proportional brake controller. What that does, or it's an inertia brake controller, and what these do, they have accelerometers in them. So as you're traveling, it starts detecting the incline and speed that you're going. So when you step on the brake, depending on the boost and gain that you initially set up this at, it helps the trailer brakes come on either aggressively or slightly less aggressive. It all depends on your setting, but it actually is really good for longevity of your brakes on your truck and your transmission. It really helps. There's also another one called a time-based brake controller, and that works it's a more inexpensive option. It works just a little bit differently, but the inertia type brake controller or proportional brake controller, that's where the money's at right there. And would you believe I got both of these right here? Look how beautiful this is. This is the gain and boost control, and it actually comes with a bracket, mounting screws, and this is the Takansha brake adapter. Now I'll show you what I mean. Now normally, if let's pretend your truck didn't come with a brake controller stock with the vehicle, and the dope thing about Ram is they actually had this stuff hidden under the dash. It was taped up, and they actually made it for a plug-and-play unit. And let me explain what I mean. I want to show you real quick. Now normally this is what happens. Normally the braking unit is over here, so you'll see like a towing symbol right here, like a trailer, and it's a part to squeeze, as I put up that picture before. You squeeze it to accentuate the brakes on the trailer. Now check this out. I saw a couple videos on YouTube. This guy put out a video. He didn't explain much. He just showed. Look at this. Look at this shit real quick. Look at this. You got 1 and 2. You got 1, 2. So now, this one here with all the colorful wires and stuff, this is not the one that we're gonna be using. This one here with literally a green, blue, red, and black wire, that's the one we're gonna be using right here. And the cool thing is, my Ram had that shit under the dash. So now, most people, if you don't have that under the dash, guess what you're gonna have to do? You're literally gonna have to follow this diagram, which is not that hard, and wire it in yourself. Takes a little bit longer, but it is what it is. But they actually give you this just in case. Okay, so let's get in the truck real quick and I'll show you what I mean. All right guys, so real easy. As I told you before, once you go under the dash, you find the harnesses. They're hidden and they're wrapped up in this foam. Okay, so this Takancha one, all the part numbers and stuff, it's gonna be in the description, so don't fear. Now, you'll see it, just match it up. It's a 4-prong in there, match it up. Click, once you hear the click. Now check this out. Now, look at this. Instantly, we got power. Now, if you look, it's saying NC. That means there's no connection. So what's happening is, okay, you actually need a 7-pin harness on this so this can activate. There is no connection on this. And as I told you before, there's boost, there's gain function, there's boost, B1, B2, B3. This is all dependent, the boost control, that's all dependent on the weight of the trailer. Like if the trailer weighs less than the car, meaning if the trailer weighs, the weight of the trailer is less than my truck. And they show you all of those settings in the instruction, guys. It's very, very, very clear. But I wanted to show you that how dope is this that Ram actually hid the plug and play unit. Now, check this out. That plug and play unit is also meant, like if you bought this, if you bought the one that comes with the Ram usually, what you would have to do is take out this entire screen, the infotainment system comes out, and you would have to pop this piece out and insert the other, you know, the stock looking one in. Let me just let you guys know something. That shit is expensive. I saw it on Amazon. It's like 250 bucks. Guys, this harness and this REESE brake controller is literally, I think I paid 70 bucks with tax and shipping, and I got it next day. Next day. You know what I'm saying? So you can't beat that shit with a stick. You know what I'm saying? So normally, oh, one more big thing. Now, this controller has to be set in the parallel to the direction you're going, which means if you stick it, you cannot stick it twisted like this, twisted like that. Now, usually you want it to be either the highest you can mount this at 70 degrees and the lowest it's -20. Okay, so I might just literally, I'm gonna see how I can run this and set it on top of my steering wheel column here. I actually have, I'm not gonna stick it or drill or screw into it. I actually have a Velcro that I could actually stick right here and it'll stay. Okay. All right, so I wanna show you guys this real quick. I have enough space in behind the steering column to run the wire. You just start running it from the bottom and the side, then you slide it over here. And what I'm using is a type of Velcro. Now, this is not your regular type of Velcro that wears out. This is like a new Velcro from Scotch. And it literally like interlocks with each other. It's really actually cool. It's actually made by, I guess it's like 3M and Scotch together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stick this, I'm gonna interlock it first and then just stick it right on top here. So it'll always be right here. And it's the perfect angle and it's really not in my way or anything like that. So I think it's gonna be a really cool addition. I just wanna make sure shit is even. Yeah, I just really didn't want to drill anything in this truck just in case. You know what I'm saying? So now... bam. That's it. Steering wheel is not gonna hit it. It's really out of the way, and that's really it. And it's low profile where it's not disturbing me as far as, you know, my sight on my dash. All right, so this is what I want to show you. Look how cool this Velcro is. It's literally like an interlock, so it's not messy at all. Now, once you press it in there, the bristles, they're tough, and they just, I'm trying to get a good, you press it and it just literally interlocks in there. Click, click, and that's it. It's in there. It is cool. All right, so I am just gonna wire this up neatly, and I'll show you what happens at the end. All right, guys, so here we go. The install is complete. Look how dope that is. Now, even if I shut the truck off, the LEDs are still gonna be on. I actually tested out today while I was doing another video. The LEDs actually stay on for maybe an extra 10 minutes or so, so don't worry about it. And guys, you don't have to worry about this thing draining your battery. The power draw is so minimal. Now, as I told you before, it's gonna say NC on it, like, you know, not connected. The reason why it says NC or not connected, you need the 7-pin trailer plug to be plugged in back there, and then you'll see it activated. So right now, this is only half of the hookup. You get what I'm saying? Now, what I love about this, obviously, it's smack dab in the middle, right where I can see it, right where I can get to it. I don't have to worry about, you know, fumbling around, you know, down here or on the side. It's right here where I can see it. I can see my entire dash system, so it's not in the way. Super low profile, so it's a small footprint. And look at this. I love the Velcro. It's non-messy. I wired everything underneath the dash. Just zip tie. This literally took me one zip tie. One zip tie. This thing is freaking awesome. I love it. So definitely like, subscribe, comment. Guys, this brake controller, it's about what, 40 something to 50 bucks on Amazon, and the extension for it, the extension harness to plug into the truck itself, it's another couple dollars. As I told you before, the total with taxes are, I think, around 70 to, I think, $70 and something cents, or whatever the case might be. Guys, you cannot beat that. Can't beat it. The stock one that normally goes here, they sell it on Amazon for like $250. You know what I mean? And this is a really, really good brake controller. There's a lot of great reviews with it, and it's an inertia brake controller. So there's a lot of accelerometers in there that would help, that works with the actual truck to slow the trailer down, so you're not burning up your own brakes. You know what I'm saying? It's not a time-based type controller. This is an inertia controller or a proportional controller. It's freaking fantastic. So anyway, as I told you guys before, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Now look at this. I have it right here, as I told you. I could turn my wheel. I don't have to worry about anything. Nothing's hitting. I can see everything. What more do you want? Now, as I said before, I'll make a video sometime in the future about, you know, initially hooking up and the settings and stuff like that. But check out the instructions. They have great hookup guides. Like if you did not have those plug and play harnesses below the truck, they have awesome hookup guides, and even setup instructions if you, when you plug the 7-pin trailer hitch to the towing vehicle. You get what I'm saying? So you're completely covered with the instructions. But I just wanted to show you guys a low-cost way that you can get a great brake controller if you need one, if you tow a decent amount. And now, obviously, because my car is built now, I'm going to a lot more shows and stuff like that. So it's really, really cool, guys. So anyway, as I said, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you guys for joining me, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.